Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you could just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 109. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this bottom row, looks like we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 3, 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column now, we're only missing a 1. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 6. 6 here, so 4, 5, 6 and 4 here, so this is our 5, 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 here and an 8 here, so this is our 9. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1, 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 8s covering both of these boxes, so our 8 must be here. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. To finish out this box, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6. Nope, that cannot be right because we've got 3 and 6 here. 1, 2. All right, we've made a mistake somewhere. Let's try this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 7, and again we've got 5 and 7 here. So I must have made a mistake somewhere. Please leave a comment down below if you saw where I made a mistake. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.